Look, the well known flaws of generative AI aren't deal breakers. Actually, they might just be your greatest strategic moat. In this video, we're dissecting a Microsoft Learn module that fundamentally reframes how we look at AI risks. Whether you're a senior leader trying to protect the bottom line or a young professional trying to future proof your career, mastering these hurdles is exactly how you unlock massive value. Let's get right into it. But before we go any further, and if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. So imagine this high stakes scenario. You're a business leader relying on AI to generate financial reports. Or maybe you're in healthcare using it to summarize sensitive patient data. The AI gives you an answer that sounds confident, articulate, and perfectly structured. But there's a catch. It's completely fabricated. The data is just wrong. What happens to your workflow? What happens to your customer trust? This isn't just some theoretical glitch, right? This is the reality of working with cutting edge AI today. Section 1: The AI Double Edged Sword and the Trust Barrier. Now, generative AI is obviously transforming operations, but it brings massive risks along with it. Why? Well, because AI makes things up. We call these AI fabrications or, hallucinations. And these errors happen because generative AI models are at their core just incredibly advanced prediction engines. They're designed to predict patterns in language, not to act as databases verifying hard facts. They don't actually know the truth. They just know what words usually sound good together. Let's look at this from an executive perspective for a second. This technical flaw creates a massive trust barrier. In strict sectors, think healthcare, finance, and legal services, a fabricated response can literally lead to devastating, costly mistakes and severe reputational damage. But here's the pivot. If you are the company that solves this, you turn a huge risk into a market differentiator. Providing transparent, highly accurate AI solutions builds incredible customer trust. It sets you miles apart from competitors who are just plugging blindly into raw, unfiltered models. You don't just accept these errors, right? You build around them. For the young technical professionals tuning in, this is your actionable framework. You absolutely need to invest in fact-checking systems and a technology called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. Basically, this combines the AI's amazing conversational abilities with your own internal verified data sources. You restrict the AI so it only pulls answers from the truth you provide. Honestly, mastering RAG is a career-defining skill right now. Before we move on to the next section, consider subscribing. Section 2: The Reliability Hurdle. Okay, so you fixed the facts, but now you face a totally new problem. Why does your AI system give you completely different answers to the exact same prompt on a Tuesday compared to a Thursday? It's because generative AI models are probabilistic. They aren't calculators that give you a guaranteed output every single time you hit equals. Because they calculate the probability of the next best word, there is built-in variability. For casual use, sure, that's fine. But for enterprise workflows, unpredictability is a massive compliance and operational risk. But we're going to flip the script again here. Yes, inconsistent outputs create a huge compliance headache, especially in regulated industries. But if you can tame that probabilistic nature, you transform your organization into a leader in dependable AI. Predictable, consistent results become your enterprise asset. When your clients know your AI tools work identically and safely every single time, you win the enterprise market. Period. So here is the toolkit to lock in those consistent results. Young professionals, pay close attention here because this is exactly how you add immediate value to your teams. First, fine-tune models. This means training the AI specifically on your industry's language. Second, rigorous prompt engineering to actively constrain the AI's behavior. And third, domain-specific guardrails that enforce strict standards before the output ever reaches the user.
Internal expertise in these three areas is simply non-negotiable if you want dependable AI.
Section 3: Navigating Bias and Beyond. Now, the challenges don't stop at the code level. Broader ethical and societal barriers can erode customer trust in an instant. It is absolutely vital to understand how bias creeps into these systems. AI bias happens when the model reflects prejudices or historical imbalances that were present in its massive training datasets. It's not thinking maliciously, right? It's just repeating our human flaws. But the consequences are very real. This bias can skew automated hiring recommendations, unfairly alter lending decisions, or completely mess up content moderation. Failing to address this opens global organizations up to severe regulatory penalties and massive public backlash. And alongside bias, the cost of inaction on other complexities is really severe. Data privacy breaches bring steep regulatory fines. Then you have the incredibly high energy consumption of running these models, which actively hurts corporate sustainability targets. And finally, the black box problem, a total lack of explainability. In industries with strict oversight, if you can't explain exactly how the AI arrived at a decision, well, you simply can't use it. Auditing becomes an absolute nightmare. So every company faces a stark choice today. Ignoring bias, privacy, and explainability leads straight to regulatory penalties and a complete erosion of trust. But proactive governance creates a massive advantage. Companies innovating in privacy preserving AI, energy efficient models, and inclusive systems aren't just checking compliance boxes anymore. They are establishing themselves as true market differentiators. A commitment to responsible AI is a highly marketable asset in a world where fairness and trust are critical. Section 4, the scenario, alchemy in action. Let's see how transforming a risk into an opportunity plays out in the real world. Imagine a global retail company starts using generative AI to scale up their product descriptions. But during testing, they hit the fabrication hurdle. The AI starts making up non existent features. Instead of panicking, they invest in a fact checking layer, basically cross referencing all AI outputs with their own verified database. Suddenly, accuracy skyrockets. And because they've built such an incredibly reliable system, they actually launched a brand new service offering, verified AI descriptions to partner brands. They literally turned a hallucination problem into a monetizable revenue stream. Talk about alchemy. Section 5, From Obstacles to Innovation. That retail story perfectly encapsulates our core message. Whether you're a leader steering the ship or a young tech professional building the engine, as the source material states, challenges aren't just obstacles, they are catalysts for innovation. By leaning in and actively addressing fabrications, reliability, and bias, you unlock radically more effective AI solutions. Solutions that drive measurable growth and unshakable customer trust. Which brings us to our final question for you. If you're a manager, what specific AI risk in your workflow are you going to reframe into a strategic advantage tomorrow? And if you're a young professional, which of these toolkits, RAG, prompt engineering, or bias mitigation, are you going to master tonight? The AI frontier isn't about avoiding the obstacles, it's about building the bridge right over them. So, what are you going to build? Check out my next video and consider subscribing.